No? Yeah. Or no, not good. Not this way. Yeah, that would be cool. Then we can use the support up here. Like this. Yep, very good.
Prepared. Well, you were the last minute.
Okay. So you should check the mist nets at least every 30 minutes, because if you leave them for too long, you never know when the bird got in the net. If you leave the net, there's a good chance that the bird flew inside right after you left. So you should think that you do not allow bird to stay entangled here for more than half an hour. And this round, look here. So the bird screams because it's obviously upset for obvious reasons, but it's fine, it's perfectly healthy and all is cool. And this one does not have a ring, so we can ring this one right now. This is an adult bird, because young birds that hatched last summer still will have some of the juvenile feathers up here in the wing that are the covered feathers. That will differ in quality and the shading of the blue. So different species have very specific ring sizes, and we have special pliers with holes for different ring sizes. And this one is 2KP 1917. Yeah, 19179. This part needs to be done really carefully. In the ring on the leg, to be harmless to the bird, needs to fulfill two criteria. First, it under no conditions can fall on the fingers and squeeze them together on the toe. This is very nice. And it also needs to freely spin around the leg without injuring it in any way. Awesome. Let's say the sex of this one. It's another male. You see the nice white black band on the belly. Now let's try to say the age by looking at the wing feathers. It's an adult. Yep. 3+ for age. Fat 0. We can see the fat store on birds on the body. They can very quickly gain and lose fat that they use as a fuel for producing heat and fueling their migratory flights or just longer journeys in autumn and in spring when they come back to the breeding grounds. And as typical for the breeding season, this is very low. You see there's hardly anything. You can see the bare muscle. Maybe not that nice in the video, but you could imagine seeing a lot of fat. Let's take the wing length. This is how you measure the wing chord. Hitting this joint against the metal ruler here and trying to measure the wing in parallel and flatten and stretch it a little bit to see how far does it reach. And this wing is 75 millimeters. As a next very basic and useful measurement of the body condition and size is body mass. We have some simple improvised tools. A plastic bag and a mechanical balance. $16.6. Ooh, this one is ringed already. Okay. Okay, so this is basically how bird ringing works. We strategically set volleyball-like fine nets where they fly in, and when we catch the bird and we do the ringing, we put a collar band metal aluminium ring on the legs with a special number that's unique to every individual bird, and then we hope someone somewhere recaptures the bird. In this case we were lucky enough to recapture the bird somebody already had ringed. Okay, Sophie, can you tell me the ring number?
Yes. So it's 2KP 19177.
2KP 19177. And it also says Riksmuseet.
Yes. Stockholm.
Yeah, so based on the inscripted two names, Riksmuseet Stockholm, we know this ring has been issued by Swedish Ringing Central. So they are the ones to report this recovery to. So we're gonna send an email to Swedish Ringing Central, and after a few days we're probably gonna get the report and we'll find out where this bird has been and where it's been ringed.